Hello, welcome to today's live. Let me take out my headpiece. I'm not sure how this one works, so welcome to today's live. I am Ronica Brown and I help my clients save a lot on their taxes using tax saving strategies. But for today, I have a but for today I want to talk about my tax planning coaching program, and this is for tax professionals. Thanks for joining, Melise. This is for tax professionals only, who have been working with their clients to do tax returns, and they also want them to help them save money. So when I'm not doing this program, I am busy working with my clients to help them save money. So this is the second launch of this program. The beta launch was in May, and that was awesome. And then this program launches on September 23rd. Let me double check that. Yes, so that's the first week, September 23rd, for this program. And who is this basically a fit for? So the last time I talked to a lot of tax preparers and tax professional. So this will only work if you work with business clients or you're looking forward to work with business owners and help them to save money on their taxes. So this is a one-on-one, coaching program. A lot of the people who that was involved in a beta launch, for somehow they may be involved in some other online program or something, and they just wanted more one-on-one help. So it was pretty awesome. They made my life easy because they knew about tax planning, so it was a lot of hard work there, but they had problems with implementation and how to implement, and that's pretty much one of the things that we work hard on, that to make sure that everyone who leaves the program, they can go ahead and start implementing. So this starts on September 23rd. If you sign up before September 6th, you're gonna receive $500 off the program. I'm trying to make sure that my little what the heck do you call this thing? My tripod thing is just rocking, so I'm just trying to make sure that I stabilize it. Sorry about that. So on September 6th, if you sign up, then you receive $500 off. And the only way people are signing up is if you send me a message, and I can talk to you to make sure that you're a good fit, because of course we want to make sure that you're at the point where you're ready for implementation. So I have on my board here some of the things that we look at in a program. So the first thing that we want to start off with is making sure how you can separate this as a separate service in your business if you're not already doing that. And then we can talk about pricing and all of that during that part. But when you take a look at what are some of the things, say for instance you are working with a business owner client and you prepared their return last year. So how can you basically upsell them and allow them to basically look at ways that they can save money? And I have a list here of some of the things that we pretty much look at as a checkbox items that you can also help your client. And I'm gonna go ahead and adjust my camera here again so that you can see my screen here. So once we know that the business owner is making a profit, that's the first thing. If they're not making a profit, there's other things that you can do. But I like when there's a profit because there's way more things that you can do. Do they have a family? What does their personal profile looks like? Do they have a family? And then you can also help them restructure things here in order to get them some family savings. We looked at entity structure, tax loopholes. I necessarily don't like to use this word, but I think that this word is what people understand. That's what your clients are going to understand. From retirement, insurance planning, look at tax credits for both federal and state. There's some awesome credits that are out there that your clients can utilize no matter how small it is. I think a lot of business owners fall in this category. Is the tax-free cash, how they can pull cash from the business. So that's one of the top 8 things that it would look like. And I think that the tax-free cash probably need to go up here if it's not basically number 1, because that's one of the ways that, you know, instead of, you know, when you're deciding how they're going to pay themselves, having them pulling cash from their business gives a lot of flexibility and room for them to have more money in their pocket, in their personal life, so that they don't have to pay taxes on it. But anyway, so those are some of the things that we're going to go over. I just said 9 and 10, but it doesn't make sense that we basically fill those in right now. I'm sure that you get the point if you're a tax practitioner. But for today, what we're going to focus on is the launch date for this program, which is going to be September 23rd. And if you sign up before September 6th, then you get $500 off. And this is if you love taxes and you also want to help your clients save money on taxes if they own a business and if you're working with business owners client. And as I said, if you have any questions about this program, if you need more information, send me a message and we can talk there and connect to see if you're a good fit and how you can continue to grow your tax knowledge and grow your business by helping your clients save a whole lot of money on taxes. I guarantee you, since we launched this program last May, I think that, you know, it's over probably like $1 million in tax savings. And with all the different planning, you know, business owners are able to increase their net worth and get a tax deductible. They're seeing significantly more cash flow in their business just because they don't have to spend that money on taxes. So if you add up the amount of savings that my business is providing and also what the student's business provided, it's like over $1 million in tax savings to our clients since May this year. So it's pretty awesome. And then when they see the numbers, I am pretty sure that your client minds are going to be blown. They're going to love you for sure. But anyway, send me a message if you want more information, and look out for my other lives because I will be sharing information for the next week or so. Have a good day.